Hey, it's a beautiful warm spring day, and I'm really enjoying it, except for one thing: the mosquitoes are out. This morning I got my first mosquito bite, and I'm not too pleased about that. Mosquitoes can be terrible, particularly if you're in a boggy area like this. So what can we do about them in our garden? What are the best plants that you can grow in your garden to keep mosquitoes out? Well, if you clicked on this video trying to get an answer to that question, you're going to be very disappointed. There are no plants that you can put in your garden that will keep mosquitoes out. Now, the only plant that has been studied and has been shown to repel mosquitoes is the eucalyptus tree. Apparently, if you have a whole grove of those, you will lower the mosquito population. But most of us can't grow eucalyptus, and even if we couldn't grow a whole grove, so that's pretty much out. But what about all these other things that people talk about? Different types of mints, oregano, all these fragrant leaves. They don't work. How about the citronella plant? Well, the citronella plant that you buy in the nursery is not even the citronella plant. It's a geranium. Actually, it's really a pelargonium, but most people call it a geranium. It's very fragrant, has a nice scent, does nothing to keep mosquitoes away. Even though nurseries call it the mosquito plant, and they sell thousands of these things every spring to people who think they're going to keep mosquitoes off their decks and patios. They don't work. Even the true citronella plant isn't going to work. And there's a fundamental problem here. People think that things that are fragrant to us humans are also fragrant to mosquitoes and other insects, and that fragrance will keep them out of the garden. Insects have a completely different sense of smell. What's fragrant to you and I is maybe not fragrant to them. Things that we can't smell at all may really stink to a mosquito. So don't go for those fragrant plants. But I have found no scientific studies that putting plants in your garden is going to change the number of mosquitoes. In fact, it may make it worse. The more plants you have, the higher the humidity level in your garden, the happier mosquitoes are. One of the best things you can do to keep mosquitoes out is to keep your grass nice and low. That takes away a cool hiding place for mosquitoes. So keep your lawn cut. Bottom line, plants in a garden will not keep mosquitoes away. Sorry, but those are the facts. But a week ago, I seen a new YouTube video posted. This well-known gardener is holding up 4 bags of seeds, and the message is pretty clear. Plant these 4 things in your garden and you'll keep mosquitoes away. You know, he had 50,000 views. It's all a lie. Don't believe it. There's no scientific evidence that you can go out and get a plant and put it in your garden and reduce the number of mosquitoes in your garden. If you'd like to learn more about garden myths, have a look at this video right here. Happy gardening.